Hey guys, welcome to another lecture. In today's lecture, we're going to be creating a poster. If you remember in the previous lecture, we created a logo for a particular company, and to be honest, it was quite spontaneous on the spot, so I didn't know what to do. But yeah, it's kind of like still the same case. But let's see what we can do. I think I have a little bit of idea. We are going to be creating a poster on a social cause. Let's say that's the plan right now. But before that, sorry about that. But before that, I really want to tell you there's different things about Canva, right? That's the course all about. So it's not about me making different things. It's more about you learning different things whilst creating different things. Right? That's, I guess, the plan. So we're creating a poster, right? We all know what's a normal poster size. Let's look for that poster size, right? If I can, okay. So an average poster size is around 18 inches into 24 inches, right? Everybody can see that. Let me just do that. Or rather, I should go to canva.com again, as you can imagine. That's the place we're all going to be visiting a lot of time, right? Or rather, we're going to be spending a lot of time on. So let's see. So the thing that I want to tell you is like this particular button called create design. As you've already seen, if you really want to create something, you can literally just choose one of those things, right? Present here. You can either search for them, right? If I want to create a poster, I can write poster here. I can write say desktop wallpaper. If that, yeah, there's a lot of things we can do. So I really believe that we should be considering new things, right? That's the plan. So let's click on create a design. Let's see what happens. So it's kind of like the same. It's going to give you an option. Okay, these are the particular dimensions. We can create a logo, poster, and different things. But we're gonna even choose custom design this time, right? I hope I'm not boring you, if that's proper English. We got 18 is to 24, right? So I changed the inches, or rather the what you can say, the size or the unit measurement. 18 is to 24, and that's the inches. We can even lock it, and then if we increase it, it will increase with itself. So the ratio is going to be remaining the same. That's the thing about it. Okay, click on create. I believe it'll open in a new tab. Let me close the other tabs. Okay, let's wait for it. Okay, so here it is. So the first things that I usually, the first thing that I usually do, as you already know, is click on it, change the color. I choose the black. I don't know. It's kind of like my thing. You can do it or do not. It's on you. So we created something related to the doctors in the previous lecture. Let's do something again for some good, global cause, or say a blood donation camp. What do you think about that? It seems good. I believe so. So I guess there's one thing we can do. Instead of choosing it black this time, we can turn it into red, or maybe you're not sure which color you want. You can click on this new color and choose from this palette. Let's go a bit dark, or maybe just go black. I don't know. Let's stay here for a while, and we can decide later on. Photos, I guess. I don't really like to. I don't really like to write this, but say blood. I guess that I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, I'm not getting good images. Oh, this is perfect. Perfect. More perfect than I could have imagined. It is particular person who's donating blood, or out of whom the blood is being ejected out. I hope the it's not the latter. Okay, that was not funny. Anyways, click on the particular image. Click on transparency. We're going to decrease the transparency. Or it is giving some some blood donation vibes. If that makes sense. Let's see what we can do. We can decrease it, right? This is a particular poster size. Let's write something, right? A blood donation camp, and let's see. Let me just Google something, right? A blood donation poster camp poster. How will that sound like? Let's see. We can copy something, right? We are not, well, Picasso told us that the greatest artist steals. That even makes sense. Um. Okay. Donate blood. That's quite simple, I believe. So we're gonna even decrease it. Okay. Can we just really change the color once? Yeah, kind of think it's better. It's because we're gonna be writing stuff on red. I have a better idea. Blood donation slogan, I guess. Anybody can give blood. Spare only 15 minutes and save one life. This sounds that's rather that sounds awesome. It is a blood donation camp. That's not a font we're gonna be using. Pretty sure about that. Spare only amount of time. Yeah. Are we gonna be doing? Yeah, that looks okay to say the least. Okay, let's. It really requires some major changes. Let's see something which gives us. Okay, this looks good. Delete. Click on it. Click on the latter part. So, of course, as I told you, this is a grouped icon. As you can see, it gives you two. You can select them different. You know, separately. That's what I wanted to tell you. But I think it's way better if you just click on it. Click on the ungroup here. Now you can even click on this and click on delete, and sha, hala, it's gone. Spare only 15 minutes and save one life. That sounds so awesome. Yeah, that should be it, I guess. Like, creating posters. That's what we're gonna do today. Let's see if there is any other thing. So, I wanted to do this project so that we can do something or other effects with the images. So let's do two type of effects, right? Let's understand that. When you click on an image, you have different options, right? You have effects, filter, adjust, crop, flip. What's that? It's I guess the what do you say, information type thing, right? Whatever it is. When you click on a text, it gives you, of course, your color, get it bold or italic, change the justification or rather the alignment, list, and if the text is in list format or whatever it is, and of course the effects. Uh, Paintbrush, we're going to be talking about it in the later course, or later part of the course. Let's click on effects. There's different type of things you can do. You can click on it, and of course you can, if you can see it, I'm not really sure if you can, but I'm going to zoom it a bit. You can see created a layer, remove it. Yeah, now it's visible, right? You can add some backdrop shadow, but since the background is kind of black, you kind of can't see it, but you can feel it. If I can just try to feel it, if that makes sense. Yeah, of course you can see that. It kind of looks cool, to be honest. What if we just do this to that? Meh, it was fine this way, I believe. Anyways, um yeah, this kind of looks cool, right? Let me just try different stuff, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go with the hollow one. Glitch, neon, we already have that, so yeah, let's settle for this. And since I'll be needing to drag it a lot, so I'd rather just click on it and wow, that went too far. But where the hell it is? I'm glad I found this. I was pretty sure I'm gonna lose it. Anyways, so like it kind of feels too, smuggled, if that's even a word, like too concentrated in a single position. Let's click on this. It's called spacing. Of course, you know what it's gonna do. Click the letter part. It's gonna create space between particular letter horizontally. That is, if you want to create there. You understand what's happening, right? They can merge at a certain extent. They can go far a certain extent. They can widen up. Yeah, that kind of looks cool, to be honest, to me, I guess. Am I the only one who seems cool? Yeah, that looks kind of cool, right? We've been recording for a while. Let's see what happens. Let's do some elements this time, right? Let's bring in something. Say we brought a doctor again, right? Blood. Yeah, I need the blood. Of course, this one it looks quite good, but to be honest, it wouldn't be used in this particular image. This one looks something that can be used. Not that it settles good with it, but we can work with that, I guess. Can we? Can't we? Of course, I want to bring it in the front, bring forward. Here it is, and still, if you just click on it, it will still be back in the back behind that. That makes yeah, kind of looks cool to me. I don't know about you. What do you think so? Anything else we would want you to contact, right? Contact. Let's see. Let's search for this. What happened? Did I click something? Apologies. Sorry. Mm, yeah, I guess you can do that. You can of course choose the element and change its color. I'll be choosing red because that kind of suits the motive here. And let's write something. Let's say something good. I don't know how well that's gonna turn out, but okay. Let's see. Okay, it's the main color. I don't like it. Okay, is there anything else we can work with? That looks cool. I'm gonna delete the new year, which, well, sounds weird, but okay. I'm gonna click on this particular element, click on delete on my keyboard. Shh, gone. Say, let me write a random number. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? If that makes sense. Let me just bring in a plus here. Uh, Helpline, right? Wow, you're literally giving a number when you've created an email sign. Awesome. Blood donation camp.com. Like, well, you have to create something, right? You have to create something. Yeah, let's minimize it and put it somewhere where it makes some difference. And of course, it's readable. I want it to be the most readable text there can be. So of course, I'm going to take it a bit, formal, if that's a word that suffices it. Okay, that looks decent. It's more than what I can expect of it. Yeah. Here we go. Let me just turn it a bit bold, little italic here. And here we go. We're good to go, I believe, right? We can literally put it there. Like, I think it's pretty awesome. It's pretty neat. I won't say it's pretty neat, but I'd say like, okay, it's workable. You can just, if you have a couple of minutes, you can create this. Really not sure if it looks good, but whatever. You get the point, right? So let's say it's a project, whatever. It's blood donation camp, right? Click on download. Let's download the PNG version like we always do. Wait for it. And anytime. Yep. Here we are. Let's download it in our favorite folder under work, under learning how to create courses like such. Click on project. We have already created this, but we're going to replace it to /poster. I had already created this. Sorry about that. So it's downloaded. Let us open it in the next tab. Wow, it looks good to me, at least. I guess it kind of looks good. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you really are liking the lectures. If there is anything, please give us your feedback. It's super appreciated. I'm creating these type of courses for the very first time, and your contribution or your feedback will be meaning the world to me, and I can improve on the upcoming courses. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.